Using subject pronouns with the verb to be, the negative form. In this section, we look at the verb to be for negative sentences. This table shows you how to make the verb to be negative. Subject pronoun, verb to be, negative, and example sentence. I am not. I am not a student. You are not. You are not a student. He is not. He is not a student. She is not. She is not a student. It is not. It is not a table. We are not. We are not students. You plural are not. You are not students. They are not. They are not students.
Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing your sentences in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.